Hi everyone, I'm here at Sangam. It's the 10th anniversary, I cannot believe it. It's grown significantly. There was a lot of energy in the room. We had some amazing keynote speakers. And most importantly, a big thank you to all the volunteers of AIOG who made this possible, particularly to Sai for leading this organization to where they are. I've always enjoyed coming back here. My first Sangam was last year, and I'm back here this year, and I plan to continue coming to Sangam again. Another thing that the IOUG did last year, or rather this year, was they put together a Yatra, which was 9 days in 7 cities, which was fantastic. A whole group of speakers went from city to city, sharing our knowledge, and it was an amazing experience. Also, a big thank you to Oracle and the Groundbreakers team who are supporting this organization and this conference by sending a lot of speakers. I am part of the Groundbreakers team. I'm an Oracle ACED director, and happy to be here to share my knowledge with all the participants.